Today I'll be walking you through how to use Slack, a powerful messaging app for team collaboration. We'll cover the basics of setting up your account, joining channels, sending messages, and using some of its key features. Let's get started. First, let's create your Slack account. Go to slack.com and click on Get Started. You can sign up with your email address or use your Google account for quicker access. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. Once your account is set up, you'll need to join a workspace. If you have an invitation link, click on it to join. If you're creating a new workspace, click on Create a Workspace and follow the instructions. This is your Slack dashboard. On this left sidebar, you'll see channels, direct messages, and the workspace menu. Channels are where group conversations happen, and direct messages are for one on one chats. To join a channel, click on the plus icon next to channels and browse through the available channels. Click on a channel to join. To create a new channel, click on Create Channel, name it, set its privacy settings, and add members. To send a message in a channel, click on the channel name and type your message in the text box at the bottom. Press enter to send. For direct messages, click on the person's name in the direct messages section, type your message, and hit enter.